Hi guys, I just got finished with my orthodontist appointment. It's Tuesday morning. It was super quick. They just needed to get some updated scans of my bites. So I'm done. That was like 10 minutes, which is actually kind of annoying, but whatever. So I was thinking I would stop over at this local bakery that I've been wanting to try. The only other thing I have planned today is getting my nails done because y'all, they are banged up bad. I did a number on them in Thailand, and just meal prepping, and I need to start editing this week's vlog. So let's head over to this bakery, get some pastries. Hey guys, just got home. I'm going to have breakfast and force myself to work real quick. Oh, side note, tell me this little bag isn't cute. This looks, oh, this is actually kind of big compared to my head. I feel like I don't see things bigger than my head usually. Got a pretty big head. But it has like, you can wear it as a fanny pack or one of the little one shoulder backpacks. Yeah, love it. I got this from Uniqlo too. I want to actually get it in another color because I'm like, this is perfect for when I'm riding my motorcycle. Alright, let me stop rambling. Let me get some breakfast in me because your girl's starving. So from that bakery, I got pain au chocolat, which is just an almond croissant. This one is big. And then I got an almond croissant. My fave. I love almond croissants because I love the frangipane filling. Like, I would eat that out of a bowl if it was normal. Then I also got a bacon, egg, and cheese one. Yeah, so like I was saying, I don't think I will go back there. That lady at the front register really rubbed me the wrong way. Everyone else seemed to be very nice, but maybe she just was having a bad day. I'm trying to be empathetic, but also like, girl, if you're gonna work at the front counter, you kind of have to be nice. And this is coming from someone who's worked in fast food for 8-9 years. I didn't always have the best day, but I was never rude to customers unless they were rude to me. Okay? And I came in all bright and happy, and I'm just like, oh. Let me see how this tastes. My eggs are really fluffy. It's actually pretty good. It's not the best customer service experience. Hi y'all. It is many hours later. I in fact did not do anything I was supposed to do. I literally took a nap. Took a nap. I needed it. So tonight I decided to order takeout for dinner, and I'm trying this new restaurant around the corner from my place. This bowl, huge. I didn't realize it was going to be that big, I'm not going to lie. And I ordered a piece of fried chicken. Let me show you. Dare I say that this rivals the crispiness of Popeye chicken. And I ordered, here's the bowl. Okay, so I had to come in the kitchen because I have a guest. And the guest is Remy. She won't get out my food. So I was like, I'm going to come in here. I don't want your cat hair floating and everything. So this is the hot honey chicken bowl with mac and cheese. Let's see. And it has our signature sauce. This is good. I kind of feel like I shouldn't have got any sauce on the chicken because it's kind of overpowering the flavor of the mac. But the mac and cheese is good. The chicken tastes good. That was way too much food. I could not finish it. We'll have the leftovers for tomorrow because that was way too much. Plus, I wanted to save room for dessert. I'm obsessed with these little mini no bake cheesecake bakes. This one's small, so I'm just like, this is enough, you know? When I made the tub, it took me a while to get through, I'm not gonna lie, but I had too much temptation to just inhale the entire tub, so I was like, I'm not buying that size. Plus, I'm actually supposed to be watching what I'm eating. Mind you, I just ate that unhealthy ass meal. But I didn't finish the whole thing, so that's a plus. A win is a win, you know? And I'm just like, treat yourself, you know? I'm gonna stop treating myself soon, I promise. Alright, guys. I will see you maybe tomorrow or something. Hi guys, good morning. Today's Friday. It's a little after 10 a.m. and it's also my mom's birthday. Yay! So Twinny and I are taking her down to the city to go out to eat, to do some shopping, and to do some fun activity. She says she wants to go to a museum, but this lady switches her mind, so who knows really. So come along with us. I should just put thank you, just give it.
Like I'm outside, this girl on my way outside. She'll be like,
Twitty.
oh,
Jeez. Are you done? Hi guys, we've made it. A little bit discombobulated, but we're pulling it together. Okay, we're going to the American Museum of Natural History. She's trying to hide from the camera. Oh, y'all, she's having so much fun. I'm so happy. This museum is so cool. Okay, I was walking fast earlier and I had to slow down. Now they're walking fast and they're getting frustrated. I'm falling behind. Y'all, look at this mouth. It is huge in person. It could fit like two of me in there. This is so cute. It's kid-sized. Aww. Hey guys, we just got out of the museum. We're about to hop in lifts to go to Dallas BBQs. Oh, okay. Now I gotta hustle, cause Vonda's getting hangry. But y'all, look at this nature around me. It's so beautiful. All right, y'all, so we had our dessert. I'm full AF, so we're walking so I can get this bloat off my belly. I don't know where we are right now. We're somewhere in Manhattan, but these houses over here are so pretty. I just seen the door and it was pink, and my favorite number's on there. We're having such a good time. My mom is having fun, so that makes me happy. I think she's getting a little tired though. It's almost like, I think it's, hold on, let me check. A little after 6? Oh, wait a minute. A little after 7, excuse me. Our train home is at 9:30, so we have time. I wanted to take her shopping, but she don't really seem like she's in the mood for shopping. So I guess we're kind of just gonna walk through the park. I don't know what park this is, but it's so pretty. Oh, there's water down there. It's after 8. We just made it back to the train station. About to head home in like the next hour, 45 minutes. Hour 2 or 45 minutes. I'm tired. My mom is very tired. She literally had no energy to continue walking, so we ended up taking an Uber back over here, or Lyft back over here. But I'm just like, dang girl. It's crazy because legit, Vanna ended up hurting her ankle. So her ankle's really sore, whatever, and she's still walking, but she's having a little bit of difficulty. My mom messed up her knee a while back while working, and so her knee's just been in pain. Then on top of that, I like broke my ankle years ago, and it just hurts from literally every day. So we all like are just pushing through the pain today. So yeah, I didn't want them to feel like any more uncomfortable than they already were, and she was just overwalking. So it was like, all right, we'll have on a list. Plus she keeps reminding us that she's turned 57 this year. I'm like, girl, that's not even old. Like, relax, you're not that old. So yeah, she's tired, but she says she's had a good time. So yeah, I'm glad she's had a good time. We're just gonna literally head back home now, and then I'm gonna probably chill out for the rest of the night because I do have to work tomorrow, although I'm working a half day. And then Sunday is Mother's Day. So yeah, a little double doozy. Her birthday and Mother's Day, same week. She's full of surprises.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me?